In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Android app icons to black and white. So what you need to do is you need to go to your settings on your phone and you need to look for the option of digital well-being. So digital well-being and parental controls. Tap into this, scroll down and go to bedtime mode. So if we turn on bedtime mode, it will silence our phone, dim the wallpaper, change the screen to black and white, and only alarms and important calls can reach you. Now, what you can do is you can customize it so that basically only the Android apps on your screen are turned into grayscale. So I am going to switch this off. Now you will see that and then I'm going to hit turn now for bedtime mode. Would put your phone on to do not disturb. You can turn that off manually, and it just means that you still can access your phone, and it still means that your app icons are in black and white and it's not affecting anything else on your phone.